The New York Times is a great resource to use if you're doing historical research. At DeWitt Library, we have access to the New York Times all the way back to 1851 when it was first published. Here's how to use the historical part of the New York Times. On our website, in our databases listing, in the End section, you can find a link to New York Times TimesMachine. Click on that. Here, if you want, you can go select a day in history and view it in TimesMachine, or you can do a search. Let's go ahead and do a search for the Titanic. And then we can also go ahead and limit that a little more by dates. So you know that the Titanic sunk in April of 1912. And perhaps you want to see what the lead up was to the launch of the Titanic and its aftermath. So we'll look at the whole month and perform that search. And now we start seeing some results about what happened after the Titanic crashed. We can also limit over here or resort it, so we can put the oldest first, and we can see exactly how the Titanic was reported on before it sailed, during its voyage, and after the fateful crash. To use anything in here, you can just go ahead and click on the newspaper. It will highlight the article you want to use. It actually transcribes it over here for you. You can make it into a PDF, just that article. You can read it nice and clearly that way. You can also get a link to the article by clicking the permalink option right there. It's a lot of fun to look around the New York Times. I hope you enjoy using it.